how to verify your email address on Substack. First, open your Chrome browser and go to substack.com. After signing in to your account, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More option. Next, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, you will find the Email Verification section. Click on Send Email Verification. Once you click on it, a verification email will be sent to your Gmail account. Now, open your Gmail inbox and look for the verification email from Substack. Open the email and click on the Verify Account. After clicking the verification button, your email address will be successfully verified and connected to your Substack account. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.